9V multi-layer battery. Easy to install and dismantle. Longer battery life. Can be used continuously for 100 hours. High-quality rubberized protective case, dust and drop proof. The photometric probe adopts a photocell detector with good stability, strong light and shock resistance. Back support design facilitates on-site measurement placement of the meter for easy readings. When using, press the power key to turn on. The instrument enters the measurement mode, and then aligns the optical probe to the measured screen for measurement. After exceeding the measuring range, OL will be displayed. You can press the key, range, to increase the measuring range. If the signal is too small, 0 is displayed and the measuring range can be reduced by pressing the range button. If you want to hold the data, you can press hold after the reading is completed. Press the button again to return to the measurement mode. When the peak button is pressed, the reading will only change if the measured value is greater than the measured value of the previous sample, and only the larger measured value will be displayed. Brightness tester is not only suitable for measuring the brightness of mobile phone screens, but also computer screens, TV screens, CRT displays, field luminescent displays, etc.